Hello everyone, my name is Mukeem Hashmi and in this video we are going to do some talking.
Do you want to go back to them or do you want to stay with Donald Trump?
Hello, motherfucker.
And I'm just going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can get some video production clients. First, let me tell you how I get most of my clients. Most of my clients are from Fiverr.com and then from Upwork. Recently, I also created a new account on Freelancer.com. So let's see how it goes. So right now, I'm getting most of my clients from Fiverr and Upwork. And in between, 4 to 5 projects I also get from LinkedIn. That's how you can grow too. You can first create your good portfolio on Fiverr and Upwork, or you can just create on one platform like Fiverr. Fiverr is really great for gig work, for a gig economy of work. So I would suggest that you create it on Fiverr first, and then after having some backup projects or portfolio, you can pitch your ideas or your trademark or your work to the clients on LinkedIn. You can also get a good amount of projects from LinkedIn too. It's kind of a gold mine because it's exclusively for the businesses around, and you can pitch them your video production work and ideas for their company or network. So LinkedIn is also great. You can also get work from Behance.net. Behance.net is a platform, is kind of social media or Instagram kind of platform from Adobe, where you can upload your work in a stack form like a portfolio, and people come to your work and they can hire you. But Behance is little bit tough, I guess, because the quality of work is really very high. And I'm not saying that you are not that good, but you will find it hard time to grow there, because there is a really good quality of work there. And Behance portfolio is mainly used to pitch the ideas on LinkedIn or Facebook to the clients. So Behance.net is used for that. So I would suggest that you work on some projects and then upload it to Behance.net, and then you can pitch this Behance profile to the clients on LinkedIn. When you are just starting out, just start with one platform that you think that is the best, because if you try so many things, you won't get results because you don't have any portfolio and you will get frustrated. So what I would suggest, just focus on one platform when you are starting out. But when you grow, when you have some kind of experience, just expand. You have to grow as a business, as a freelancer. So that's it for this video, and I upload weekly content around video production and how to make money using videos. So if you are kind of into that, so just subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, you won't regret it. So see you in the next one.
Hey, teach me how to do it, hey. They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Doug it? You know why? Cause all the girls love it. Hey, all I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and dump it.